and welcome to Raven and Rose. This is my every time go-to look for when I'm going shopping at the local, well, I guess it's a mall in America, but Meadow Hall, or you know, when I'm going to the movies, have my Baskin Robbins milkshake. Love that. But yeah, so this is my not everyday makeup wear, but it's like old reliable. So I'm starting off with this new high spreadability fluid primer from The Ordinary. I've been trying a few of their products recently and I'm really liking them. And then I'm going on to Bleach London Illuminati drops, which just add that little bit of extra dewy finish that I'm looking for at the moment. And then I'm trying a new foundation from Rimmel, Wake Me Up foundation in Ivory. It's got lots of vitamin C and it supposedly leaves quite a dewy finish, not completely matte like my other foundations, which I love, but I thought I'd try something new this time. So add a little bit extra to the places where I know I need more coverage, and then in with the Shape Tape. So as you can see, I'm putting that under my eye area and on the cheek area where I do have that coverage need. So in with my beauty blender and working it all the way down that triangle shape, and starting my nose contour as I go, and setting it with the Ben Nye powder, which incidentally when I bought it I thought it was going to be about £3 something and it ended up being 20 something. Well yeah, there you go. So I am using MAC Paint Pot in Ochre to prime my eyes. I'm softening that with my finger before applying that same Ben Nye powder to the whole area of my eyelid. I'm going to do my skin first this time, so I'm starting with the Hoola bronzer. You've already seen me do my eyebrows a bajillion times, so you don't need to see me do them again. And then in with my blusher, my Havana from Benefit, which is I lost it for a while and now I found it and I'm in love again. So that's gorgeous. I'm putting that in new places now. Above my eyebrows, down the middle of my nose, my chin, bit on my forehead. And then I'm using my Lock-It setting powder to blend all of those products together on my face. Now it may look like I'm putting a lot of product on there, but it really does help to blend your bronzer in your blusher, leaving them just a little more seamless and less obvious on your face. So in with the contour kit, I do need to contour because I always contour my nose. I've got this new tiddly brush again from Bleach London. I can't see BB001 is the name on the sticky bit, but it's a tiny little wee brush that makes it so much easier to place product. Then out with the fan brush and the Mary Lou Who, so a little luminizer, and again I'm just popping that on the regular places, but on top of the blush it gives a really healthy glow, and I'm going in on the top of my brow bone too. So back into that contour kit, and I am contouring my cheekbones to give the illusion that I actually have them. And then I'll be contouring along my jawline to define that area and really give it some whirly with those, extra chins. So for the eyes, I am starting just above the socket area, just above the movable lid area with Lazarus. And it's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then I'm going on to Samael to deepen that up a little. But I really like this palette is so nice. The colours blend together so nicely. and I think the Sigma brushes just suit it so much. And then going in with Solace with a slightly smaller blending brush, and you can see it has a point to it with the bristles on either side that really help to blend it out before you have to go in and try and blend for yourself. So I'm popping that colour on the inner and outer corners of my eye, and it produces kind of a halo look anyway, so I've left it at that. I've then gone in with Samael and Solace for the bottom of my eyes before moving on to my eyeliner. So I'm using my favourite eyeliner, the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, and winging it out and putting quite a big wing on this, and then going in with the Marcel charcoal eyeliner that I got in one of my beauty boxes. I'm sorry, I can't remember which one right now, but I'm just tightlining the top inner lid of my eye before going in with some mascara from Tarte, the Lights Camera Lashes. I'm going to put a couple coats of this on, and then on my lower lash do exactly the same. Now, because I was silly and I was looking forward and not looking up, I did get it on my skin, but that's okay because I can fix that. So I'm going in with a lip scrub because my lips feel a bit not quite right, and finishing that off with my finger before going in with Rosy Round lip pencil from MAC and lining my lips. I'm only slightly overlining the top lip because I do have a very thin top lip, and then I'm going in with Model's Own Passionate Kiss semi-matte lipstick, which matches the lip liner perfectly. And there you go, there's my finished look. Yep, very pleased with myself, show my new do-off, and generally looking, yeah, quite pleased with myself. Thank you so much for watching my video and spending some of your time with me. I really do appreciate it. I want to get to know you better, I want you to get to know me better. I will be doing some videos where I talk over things in my life that are happening, that have happened. Quite interesting things actually. I think I make the perfect dinner guests because I have a few stories in me to tell that I think I definitely as a person would be interested to hear from somebody. I'd be like, really, tell me more. So yeah, please subscribe. I'm not gonna beg. I'm begging you! Please subscribe! I'm not gonna lower myself to that level. Just do it! You do it! It's one take. So I'm going to leave it there because I think I could sink to lower depths. Okay, so once again, thank you so much for spending the time with me. I so super appreciate it. You take care of yourself and I will see you again really soon. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Mwah.